Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Mathias-sur-Richelieu is a lovely town located in the Montérégie region of Quebec, just south of Montreal. Nestled along the beautiful Richelieu River, this charming community offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. Saint-Mathias-sur-Richelieu was first settled in the early 19th century, and like many towns in Quebec, it has deep roots in agriculture. The fertile lands around the Richelieu River have supported farming for generations, and today, the area is known for its vibrant local culture, beautiful landscapes, and outdoor activities. One of the key historical landmarks here is the St. Matthias Church, which dates back to the 19th century. The church is a symbol of the town's heritage and community spirit. Visitors often enjoy the peaceful atmosphere as they walk around the village, which retains much of its historical charm. For nature lovers, Saint-Mathias-sur-Richelieu offers scenic views of the river and surrounding countryside. You can take a stroll along the waterfront, or enjoy various outdoor activities like hiking, cycling, and boating. In the warmer months, the Richelieu River is a great spot for kayaking and canoeing. So, whether you're here for a quick visit or a longer stay, Saint-Mathias-sur-Richelieu offers a blend of history, nature, and community that's sure to make your trip memorable.
watching!